our partner, Oliver Valves, discussed in a webinar trends that are emerging in the world of manufacturing and engineering. One of the emerging trends Oliver discussed is a transition away from fossil fuels. Traditionally, valve manufacturing has heavily relied on hydrocarbon emissions and the use of fossil fuels. Oliver has recognized the global concern of hydrocarbon emissions, like global warming, and is now joining the effort to support cleaner energy on a global scale. Oliver has developed innovative technology to help cut carbon emissions. The patented high-performance seal arrangement is designed to limit leaks in the valve, stopping emissions from seeping out. Oliver has been globally recognized for their sustainable, innovative technologies by TÜV Worldwide, being the only valve to receive that honor.